Sarah stares at a blinking cursor, a blank screen reflecting her quiet determination. Across the city, a local coffee shop owner sits in his office, drowning in frustration. He has a new seasonal blend to sell, but his mind is empty. He knows he is losing customers every second he stays silent. Sarah picks up her phone. She does not pitch complex software or a massive campaign. Instead, she sends 3 simple sample emails. The first announces the roast. The second offers a loyalty discount. The third creates urgency with a limited supply warning. Simple, direct, and incredibly effective. The owner opens the files, reading the clean, punchy lines. He clicks reply and sends a payment instantly. This is the spark. Sarah repeats the process, picking a niche and studying its style. She builds a portfolio of templates, using AI to brainstorm hooks and refine her drafts. This cuts her writing time in half. She is not promising the world. She is solving a repetitive, urgent problem. By the end of the month, she is managing email flows for 5 different businesses, connecting them to their customers with ease. You do not need to overcomplicate your path to income. Look for the small, repetitive tasks that businesses hate. Master them, solve their problems, and start your journey today.